August 22nd, in the Spanish territory of Ceuta, hundreds of migrants break through fences separating it from Morocco. In India, the government asks the WhatsApp mobile service to stop spreading false information that it says has led to many wrongful killings. And in the United States, President Donald Trump's former presidential campaign manager, Paul Manafort, was found guilty of tax and banking crimes Tuesday. And Trump's former lawyer, Michael Cohen, says he is guilty of violating campaign finance laws.